Ever feel like you're leaving money on the table after every service call? You nail the job, your customer is happy, but then silence. No glowing online reviews. No enthusiastic referrals flooding your inbox. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Getting those crucial 5-star reviews can feel like pulling teeth. But what if I told you there's a smarter, easier way to turn satisfied customers into your biggest advocates? In today's fast-paced digital world, online reviews are the lifeblood of your service business. They build trust, attract new customers, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Think about the last time you were looking for a plumber, electrician, or HVAC technician. What was the first thing you did? You probably hopped online and checked out their reviews, right? Potential customers are doing the exact same thing with your business. A steady stream of positive reviews can be the difference between landing that big new job and watching it go to your competitor. But let's be honest, chasing down reviews manually is a time-consuming hassle. You're already juggling appointments, invoices, and keeping your team on track. Adding another task like individually emailing or texting every customer for feedback often falls to the bottom of the to-do list. And even when you do reach out, the response rate can be frustratingly low. People are busy, emails get lost in inboxes, and the whole process feels clunky and inefficient. This is where Housecall Pro steps in as a game changer. It's not just another scheduling software. It's a comprehensive platform designed to streamline every aspect of your service business, and that includes effortlessly generating more positive online reviews. Today, we're diving deep into how to set up and leverage Housecall Pro's review request features to build a stellar online reputation on autopilot. Think of Housecall Pro as your dedicated review management assistant. It takes the manual work out of the equation, ensuring that you're consistently prompting satisfied customers to share their positive experiences online. The beauty of it lies in its seamless integration with your existing workflow. You're already using Housecall Pro to manage jobs, so why not let it handle your review requests too? So, how do you actually get this review-generating machine up and running? Let's break down the setup process step by step. First things first, you need to ensure your Housecall Pro account is properly configured to send review requests. This typically involves connecting your online review platforms, such as Google Business Profile, formerly Google My Business, Yelp, and others. Integrating these platforms is crucial because it allows Housecall Pro to direct your happy customers to the places where their reviews will have the most impact. Navigating to the review request settings within Housecall Pro is usually straightforward. Look for a section labeled something like Reputation Management, Reviews, or Customer Feedback within your settings menu. Once you're there, you'll likely see options to connect your various review profiles. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your accounts. This might involve logging into your Google or Yelp accounts directly through the Housecall Pro interface. Once your platforms are connected, the real magic begins: automating the review request process. Housecall Pro offers several ways to trigger review requests, ensuring that they go out at the optimal time, right after a job is completed and your customer is most likely to be happy with your service. One of the most effective methods is setting up automated review requests based on job completion status. You can configure Housecall Pro to automatically send a review request email or text message a set amount of time after a job is marked as completed in the system. This eliminates the need for you or your team to manually remember to follow up with each customer. You'll typically have control over the timing of these automated requests. For example, you might choose to send a request an hour after completion, the next morning, or even a couple of days later. Experiment with different timings to see what yields the best response rates for your business. Consider factors like the type of service you provide and when your customers are most likely to have a moment to leave a review. Housecall Pro also allows for customization of your review request messages. This is a crucial step in maximizing your response rate. Generic, impersonal requests are often ignored. Instead, take the time to craft personalized and engaging messages that resonate with your customers. Start by addressing the customer by name. Reference the specific service you provided to jog their memory. Express your gratitude for their business and politely ask for their feedback. Make it clear that their opinion is valuable and helps you improve your services. Keep your messages concise and easy to understand. Provide clear and direct links to your review platforms, Google, Yelp, etc., to make it as simple as possible for customers to leave a review. The fewer clicks and less effort required, the more likely they are to follow through. Consider offering a subtle incentive, if appropriate for your industry and local regulations. This could be something as simple as mentioning that positive reviews help other homeowners in their community find reliable service. Avoid anything that could be perceived as bribing for reviews, as this can violate the terms of service of review platforms. Housecall Pro often provides templates for review request messages that you can customize. Take advantage of these as a starting point, but don't be afraid to inject your own brand voice and personality. A warm and friendly tone can go a long way in encouraging customers to leave positive feedback. Beyond automated post-service requests, explore other options within Housecall Pro. Some platforms allow you to send review requests manually for specific jobs or even in bulk to a segment of your customer base. This can be useful for following up with customers who provided particularly positive feedback in person or for proactively reaching out to past satisfied clients who haven't yet left a review. Another powerful feature to leverage is the ability to track your review performance directly within Housecall Pro. The platform often provides dashboards and reports that show you how many review requests have been sent, the response rate, and the average star rating you're receiving. This data is invaluable for understanding the effectiveness of your review request strategy and identifying areas for improvement. Pay attention to which types of messages or timings are generating the best results. Are text message requests getting a higher response rate than emails? Are customers more likely to leave a review if the request is sent an hour after the job or the next day? Use this data to refine your approach and optimize your review generation efforts over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.